Hello and welcome to Analytics Educator. Today I'm going to show you how we can create visualizations using ggplot2. So ggplot2 happens to be the most advanced and easy way to plot a graph, and I'm going to just show you in very simple English, and it's very easy to do it. So before we work with ggplot2, we need to understand there are three layers. We call them grammars of graphics. Three layers. Actually, there are six layers, but I'll talk about the next three layers later on. First layer is the called data, which means the data set name. Second is called the aesthetics, and we write it in a short way, AES. It means what are the columns we are going to use out of this data set. And then geometries, the short form is geom, and it means the kind of graph we are going to work with it. Let's understand how we can do with it. So if I go into R, so first I'll have to import the library ggplot2, and then there is another library which is an inbuilt data set, ggplot2 movies is an inbuilt data set, and there is a data set called movie. I'll name it as M. Okay, data dot frame movies, and let's have a look how the data set movies look like. If I say head, M is going to show me the top 6 rows. So we can see there is a title, year for the different movies, and the length, budget, rating, votes, all these stuffs are there. We are going to show you first. I'm going to create a histogram using the rating column. Okay, now so how we are going to do it is, first we'll give some name to it. Let's say I'll name it AE, the short form of Analytics Educator. Then you write ggplot within bracket, write the name of the data frame, which is M. I just saved it as M. So this is what I am talking about, the layers. So first I'll name the data, okay, comma, then AES means aesthetics equals to, sorry, not equals to, so aesthetics, what are the columns I'm going to use it. So I'll say, let's say X equals to, I'm going to use the rating column, so I'll write rating, and if I execute it, so we cannot see the graph yet. So in order to check the graph, I also need to add the geometries column. So I'll write again AE plus ggplot underscore histogram, open bracket and close it. Execute it. Oops, sorry, I think I have made a mistake. It is not ggplot, it is, the short form is geom. Okay, and then you write print AE, and you see, you can get to see the histogram. Now the bars are too wide. Okay, this is the default one, but I can change the width of these bars. So what we can do is, we can write over here bin width equals to, let's say, 0.1. So we are going to lower the width of these bars. See, now it has become little lower in the width. All right, what else we can do is, we can add some colors in it. I can say color equals to maybe red. See, the colors, it means these are the outline of these bars which is in red. I might fill it with the same color or maybe with some other colors. So maybe I can write fill equals to maybe blue, so like a combination of Spider-Man, red and blue. This is how it looks like, okay, with a red and blue. What else I can do it is, I can make it, presently this is how the graph looks like. I can make it little transparent in nature. So what I have to do is, let me indent it so it will be easier for me to write it. So I can write alpha equals to, if alpha equals to 1, it's absolutely opaque. Let's make it little more transparent, maybe 0.4. See, now it has become little more transparent in nature. So these are the thing I can do. What else I can do it is, another trick is, I can write, okay, over here the colors are all same, right, everywhere, but I can change the colors as per the count. I can see here the counts are more for the rating, okay, so that will be something like a deep in color, and this colors will be little light in color, so I can just change the colors as per the count. Higher the count, the deeper the color. Okay, so in order to do that, what I can do is, I can delete it and I can write AES. Again, I'm just putting little bit of aesthetics in it. Aesthetics within bracket, okay, fill equals to, put 2 dots and then write count and again end it with 2 dots. Okay, now if I execute it, see this is the scale which has been produced. So the default scale will be lighter the color, higher the count. So these ones are the higher in the count, that's why the lighter the color. The edges are lower the count, that's why deeper in the color. But if I wish, I can change the color scale. So if you don't want it to be like in only blue, light blue and dark blue, so you can change the scale. We can do it like, give a plus sign and then I will write scale underscore fill underscore gradient equals to, I will name it as count, and then high equals to blue and low equals to maybe red. Okay, and let me execute it. See, the high will be in blue and the edges will be in red. Alright, I can also see over here in this chart we don't have any title. Okay, if I wish I can add the title over here. So with the same code we can add the title with maybe AE equals to AE plus GG title. Maybe I want to name it as histogram. Alright, and let me execute it. See, I get a title over here, histogram. Similarly, I can change the x-axis names and y-axis names as per my wish. So I can write plus x lab is, maybe I want to name it as movie rating, and plus y lab will be count of rating. So this will just write the put the title of x-axis and y-axis along with the title of the histogram. Alright, so this is how we can create a histogram. In the next video, I will be showing you the other types of graphs. Thank you so much. You may visit our website for more details on our courses.